With over 20 years of understanding of the HVAC industry, CVS designs, tests, manufactures, and supplies certified passive fire protection, air control, and air distribution solutions, complying with relevant international standards across diverse sectors such as commercial, residential, healthcare, hospitality, educational facilities, data centers, and industrial segments. Asfour fire-rated ductwork system, committed to make world a safer place. Designed to meet the most stringent fire safety requirements in the building industry, the system has been comprehensively tested by UCAS-accredited Warrington Fire Department, achieving 240-minute stability, integrity, and insulation criteria. Ductwork system is tested in accordance to BS 476-24, complying with the heating regime of ISO 834 curve at 240 minutes. The ductwork offers insulation of up to 2 hours at 1200 Celsius in applications where insulation criteria is required for Type A and Type B ducts. The complete fire-rated ductwork system has been evaluated and certified as an assembly, duct, balancing damper, NRD, sound attenuator, access panel, gasket, and sealant. CVS offers a wide range of UL-classified life safety dampers which include combination fire and smoke dampers, fire dampers, smoke dampers, corridor dampers, ceiling dampers, in compliance with UL 555, UL 555S, and UL 555C, and meeting the requirements of NFPA and IBC to protect openings made in fire and smoke barriers. CVS has developed the range of dampers ideal for corridor smoke management system, which do not require any retaining angles for the installation, and also satisfies the UL requirements for applications where the damper blades go outside of the fire barrier. We are one of the market's leading manufacturers of air distribution and air balancing systems, rectangular and circular ductwork that are designed to meet the most stringent HVAC specifications and requirements of relevant standards like SMACNA and DW144. Volume control dampers. From light operations to heavy-duty industrial applications, we provide the perfect control dampers designed to meet the performance requirements as PRAMCA 500D. Louvers and architectural solutions. From providing general fresh air intake and exhaust to and trap applications, we manufacture a variety of AMCA-certified louvers with different sizes and paint finishes available with standard or drainable blades in either fixed or adjustable blades configurations. Air terminal units. Our pressure-independent VAV boxes are designed to satisfy various applications in different built environments. Acoustical solutions. Our acoustics team has vast experience in manufacturing acoustical duct silencers and acoustical louvers. Using in-house selection software, our products are optimized to deliver the required acoustic performance by reducing pressure differential even at higher velocities for various applications.